Hi everyone, Namaste. Hope all of you are doing great during this lockdown with your family and kids, and I really hope that you enjoyed our last session with Ms. Swati Sharma on making friends with money. That webinar was quite very interesting, and I hope you had all your queries answered very well. Today we are back yet again with another webinar with Mrs. Preeti Sharma. I'll be discussing about Preeti later, but I'll be telling you what this webinar is all about. The webinar's topic is creating healthy learning environment at home, and it is very important for us to know that this webinar is about parenting tips as well. In today's world, we all tend to be perfect parents, perfect mothers, perfect fathers for our kids, and the kids actually don't turn up perfect. So what's the use of being perfect? No one is perfect. We all want to be the best parents we can be for our children, but there is this conflicting advice about how to raise a child who is confident, kind, and successful in his career. Throughout this circus act of parenting, it is very important on focusing the balancing priorities. Actually, what priority is more important for you? Juggling the responsibilities. A lady in the house is loaded with lots of responsibilities towards husband, towards kids, towards other family members, towards the staff members, and also quickly flipping between the needs of your child with your needs of your family members and needs of yourself too. Modern parents also have the entire internet at their disposal, but they actually don't know whom to trust and what to trust. They need guides in between. They need someone to tell them how to do and what to do exactly. So here today in this webinar, we'll be talking about how to help your child grow up to be a person whom you really like without losing yourself in the race of parenting, perfect parenting in fact. So this webinar will be taken by Preeti ma'am at 5 p.m. in the evening. Preeti herself, being a vibrant personality, is a mother of 2 kids. Preeti, being a mother of 2, is an entrepreneur and has been running a company named The Catalyst from 2009. Having her basic education from New Delhi, she pursued her graduation from St. Stephen's College, Delhi University, in economics honors. After that, she did her MBA from XLRI Jamshedpur and has worked in several MNCs. With the dream of offering unique skill enhancement opportunities to individuals across various kinds of institutions and organizations at various levels, this company, The Catalyst, is a leading learning and development firm specializing in the field of talent assessment, talent development, management consulting, and many more things. Preeti has conducted a number of consulting projects, assessment centers, and training programs on sales effectiveness, leadership, communication, team building, time management, etc. etc. But before this, she also had a prior experience in leadership development, employee engagement, and developing high performance teams in organizations such as Hindustan Lever, Unilever, and Accenture. She spends a considerable amount of time in enhancing her own skills as a facilitator and assessor through various certifications. And coming up, she always comes up with new strategies and approaches to develop effective and engaging learning techniques. So she highly believes in the thought that learning is the only path to success, both at personal and professional level. One very interesting thing about Preeti is she has a passion of educating the less privileged children, and this motivated her to start a new venture called Sapno Ki Library. As the name suggests, the idea was to introduce the joy of reading for the less privileged sections of the society who never have the access of expensive books. They now have a collection. She with her sons, both sons, they have a collection of more than 1,000 books, and they have books of many genres for children in the age group of 6 years to 14 years, and also they have up to 15 volunteers and up to 30 children who come in that library and actually help the underprivileged kids in reading, in solving math solution, in paintings, and several things. So she has a very unique lifestyle, and I'm sure you'll get, when you get to know her, you'll you'll always try to be like her. She's a mother who can be looked up to. So I request all of you to join us today at 5 p.m. in the evening. Keep your questions intact on papers, ask her questions, clear your queries. It will be really informative session as well. I expect lots of participation from parents, from our teachers. So be there at 5 sharp. Thank you so much.